Hello from yourtechvision.com. Today I'm going to show you how to do great data collecting on your students. As the end of the year approaches and directors start talking to me about instruction for their kids, I have one school where I have been teaching the technology, but they had a new teacher take over the Braille instruction for the student. At the end of the year, the director had asked me to take over. And so I've been doing data collecting on this child. Now I picked up this child, let's go over to the line plot graph, in the middle of third grade, and of course she did not have any blind skills, let alone Braille skills. And so we started charting her, and let's look at the line plot graph and then jump over to the bar graph. And here are grade level options. She should be reading around 110 out loud and 130 at the top score silently, and she was significantly below that because she had just begun a few months prior to that. So then we go to fourth grade and we see significant jumps, and at the end of the year she's at 135, which is above the class reading score. And if we compare up here, the silent reading is 131, between 131 and 147, and she is above that also. So she is at grade level at the end of fourth grade. Now, a new teacher took over at fifth grade, and we immediately see significant drops. I just tested her because the director had asked me to take over. And so I've tested all her scores, and as you can see over the line plot graph, it really shows the complete drop of all her Braille skills. So we've gone from grade level last year to significantly below grade level at the end of fifth grade. So now, as I go into the IEP meeting, I have the data in hand. Now, of course, I email this to the director so she has a heads up on what is coming up and how we need to increase instructional time and really strategies for this child so she is not struggling. And she was significantly struggling toward the end of the year. So anyway, we want to really counteract that because we want to get her back up in grade level. And if we look at the orange and the lime colors, those are Jerry Jones's standards for reading at grade level. And we want all of our students up to those standards. So we will be working really hard next year to pick her back up to where she needs to be. So if you want some great data collecting skills, yourtechvision.com has the creation of how you do a bar graph and how you do an Excel line plot graph. So when you go in, the parents and the team can see what has been going on, and of course you have all that data collection right there, which helps create those goals. So there is some great data collecting assessment ideas for you. These work really well for me. I hope they work well for you also.